Ryan, Lincoln College.
Joel, Stephenson City.
Connor, Stoke-on-Trent College.
Richard Cliff, Stoke College.
Oh, let's bounce back out. Oh, straight in through. Bounce back out. Oh, it's a 4. Oh, lovely. Oh, nice. Stayed in, yes.
The winner of the SPARKS 2019 competition is Ben Reeves from Northampton College.
A bit shocked, nervous, surprised. To be honest, I didn't think I was going to do it. A few other people had finished before me, a couple of others. I was expecting them to have taken it, to be fair, but yeah. It was constant flat out, heavy work rate, so I'm surprised. I literally put the last screw in as I said stop. There was only one bit where, with the mini trunking, where it's stuff I don't normally use with all the T-bits and that. Just messed that up a little bit, but then jumped straight back on it.
It was very pleasing. Well, I saw his finished product and it looked very good to the eye. I couldn't see inside to check a lot of the wiring, but it looked a good install. So I was very pleased with what Ben produced today.